Hi all, today let's make sheet pan kebab. Trust me, this is a very simple, very easy, yet a very full packed recipe. First, let's take chicken breast and then put it in the blender and your chicken mince will be ready. Then let's marinate it with some onions, green chilies. Then I'm adding in some turmeric powder and then cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves and salt. All the ingredients are in the screen. Give it a good mix, marinate it really very well, and you need to marinate it at least for 2 hours and then keep it ready to get the juiciest kebab. Once the chicken is marinated really very well, place it in the air fryer like this. Just tap it, so that's the reason it's called as sheet pan kebab. If you don't have air fryer, that's all right, you can just add it on the pan and then make your kebabs. You need to air fry it at 200 degree for at least 18 to 20 minutes and your sheet pan kebab will be ready to serve. Here I love to serve my kebab with flavored rice and some salads. You can just have it just like that with some kind of chutneys or just like that with any kind of rice. That should be fine, but this is how I like to have my sheet pan kebab. Look at it, I'm just serving it with some flavored rice, which is my turmeric cumin rice. I have already posted my recipe on that, you can check my videos. And then I'm adding in some pickled onions just to give that tangy and the chatpata flavor. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy.